Welcome to Dominion Markets Back Office. In this tutorial, we will go over certain aspects and elements of the back office that you can use to your advantage as a client. The first thing that you will notice is that there's going to be a banner on the top, and this banner will basically tell you that you can use your commissions to get access to world-class Forex education, which is called market fluidity, or you can get access to magic keys. For more information, you can go to dominionmarkets.com and then you can go to incentives. From here, you can click on commissions. And from commissions page, you can see all the details that are present and what you can use with your commissions. You can get market fluidity or you can get magic keys. Second off, what you will see automatically is going to be your wallets. Now you have a USD wallet. From here, we can choose a Euro wallet or a USD wallet. All your deposits will go into your USD wallet. Secondly, you're going to have a verification step. This is basically so you can upload your documents such as your IDs to verify yourself as a person and your utility bills to further identify yourself. Now, if you have a deposit of more than $100,000, then you may also verify source of funds. All that will be available in the verification step. Second, we'll go over to the wallets section. Now, in this section, you can see we have multiple wallets. We have the Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, Litecoin, USD, Ripple, and Euro. Whenever you will do a deposit, that deposit will automatically go towards your USD wallet, whether that's a deposit in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, whatever that is. It will always go into the USD wallet, and from here, you can decide where you want the funds to go. From our exchange feature, if you click on exchange, now, from our exchange feature, you can select your wallet, your USD wallet, and then you can select which currency you want to exchange your money. So let's say we want to exchange $20 to Ethereum, right? So we're going to choose 20, and then it's going to calculate the rate. We will hit exchange, and we will wait a bit until the exchange is done. Perfect, right? The exchange is complete. We'll click anywhere else. Now we can see that the wallet is 80. So now let's go towards our wallets. And once we go into our wallets, we will see that $80 are left in our USD wallet, and we've exchanged $20 for $20 worth of Ethereum. The same thing you can do for Bitcoin, you can do for Litecoin, Ripple, and you can also exchange to Euro, but this feature is not available yet. Secondly, we're going to move over to opening accounts. So we're going to go over to MT5. Now, we only use MT5 because MT5 is the latest platform by Metacoats. It's the most fastest. It has the lowest latency, and it has very negligible delay in executing orders. Now, the first thing you will see is create a demo account. If you want to create a demo account, you can choose which demo account you want to create. That's perfect. But we will go over on how to create a live account. So when you move on down, what you will see is that there's going to be an option to create a live account. So we'll create a live account. You can choose between a pro account, Islamic account, standard account, Islamic account, and payment account. Now, your pro account is going to be a trading account. Your standard account and Islamic account, these three are going to be your trading accounts. The only difference between three accounts is that the standard account has higher spreads but no commissions. Pro account has lower spreads and commissions. Islamic account has spreads, commissions, but zero swap fees. The two of these accounts, they have swap fees. Next, we have the payment account. Payment account is used to collect commissions from, let's say you have an account running on the leaderboard. And we will go over the leaderboard section here in a little bit as well. But first, we will create a pro account. We will choose the USD currency. Currently, we don't support pound. We can also do euro as well, but let's go for a simplistic form of a USD currency. Hedging, we will just leave it as it is. Leverage, we can choose which leverage you want. If you want to customize leverage, let's say you want a 50 to 1 leverage, or you want 300 to 1 leverage, you can email support and we will get that done for you. So you can choose 500 to 1 leverage, you open account, and the account is going to be open for you. There we go. Account has been successfully created. Here we have our new live account, right? Now, whenever you create a live account, the password is going to be sent over to your email address. Your email address will have the password, and then from there you can change your password if you want. So if I go to options, click those dots over there. And once we are here, we can select settings. From settings, we can reset password, right? So from here, we can reset password. We can choose which account type for which you want to change the password. We will hit cancel and we will choose master account. Custom method. And then our email address is going to receive a code. We can use that code to change our password. Now, let's go over to the funds part. In funds, over here, you will see where your deposits are going to come in. Transfer, you'll see where your transfers are going to come in. Withdrawal, you're going to see where your withdrawals are going to go in. Now, let's say we want to deposit via crypto. So we can choose which crypto we want to use. Let's say we're going to choose Bitcoin. You can choose Bitcoin. You can choose the amount you want to deposit. You can choose 200. Address type, we're going to choose default. And then we're going to hit proceed. Once you hit proceed, a unique wallet address is going to be generated, and clients can use this address into your exchange and you can deposit funds via that address. So once it's done, we'll wait for it to load. This is the address generated, and you can use this address to deposit funds to your account. Let's go back towards our wallets now. When you go to our wallets, we can see all this information. When we go towards MT5, we have all our accounts right there. Now, to open a PAM account, right, to run a successful PAM account, we have to open a payment account first. So we will go ahead and do that right now. We'll open a MT5 payment account. Currency will always stay in USD. Leverage will always stay at 1 because a payment account is not a trading account. You cannot trade using the payment account. So we'll go ahead and open the payment account. Once that account is successfully open, you will get another email saying that you have successfully opened a payment account. After that's done, let's say now we want to open a PAM account. So what we need to do first is that move funds from your USD wallet to the payment account, because payment account acts as a bridge to move the funds to your investor account, to move the funds to your master account, or whatever the case is. So now, first of all, we will deposit funds in the payment account. We will hit deposit. And once we've hit deposit, we can choose from where we want to move the funds. Let's say we want to move the funds from our USD wallet to the payment account, and we'll choose the amount we want to move. Let's say we want to move $50. We'll hit transfer. Once we hit transfer, we will notice that the funds are going to be deducted from the USD wallet and will be placed into the payment account. Now our dashboard will load up once again. You can see all the history, all the transactions you've done. So now we're going to go back to our MT5. And over here, we will see that the payment account now has $50 in it. That's the very basics of opening an account, moving funds, withdrawing funds, deposits, stuff like that. Also, now, once we click our PAM, a new window is going to pop open. And when a new window is opening, now also remember we moved some funds to our PAM account. When a new window opens, the PAM database is going to load. Once it has finished loading, here you can see your payment account number and you can see the amount of funds you have in your payment account. Now, let's say you want to open up a master account on the leaderboard so that once your stats are recorded and you want other clients or traders to follow you in that account, let's do that here together. So we'll open a master account. We will select social trading. This is a very, very crucial step. You have to choose social trading. These steps are also mentioned on our website under incentives, leaderboard, and social trading. So you go to leaderboard and social trading. All the steps are explained step by step right over here as well. But we will go through here together. We will choose social trading. Currency, we will choose USD. Leverage is going to be, let's say, 500. And you can choose a password, or a password will be provided for you. Now make sure you save this password because an email will not be sent about this account. So you choose the password, you select the password and save it, acknowledge, and you open account. Once your account is open, all your information is right here. Your login for the new account and your password. Now, once we keep our password safe, we need to make a deposit to this master account, right? Because whenever you open an account on the leaderboard, it's called a master account. So we will make a deposit to our master account. And from right here, notice that this is the same payment account. So to move funds to your master account or investor account, you need to have funds in your payment account. So now we will move funds to our master account. Let's say we want to move $20. We will hit deposit. And now the deposit has been done to our master account. So now we'll go back to our dashboard of PAMM. And here we see our master account has $20 and our payment account has $30. Now, if you want, you can start trading your master account and it's going to be, the stats are going to be recorded on your leaderboard. Now, let's say that you notice someone on the leaderboard doing really good and you want to open an investor account so you can follow that client. So let's open an investor account. So we'll go over to investor. From here, we will choose social trading. We will choose USD and we will keep this password safe because remember, an email will not be generated for this password. If you lose the password, you can always email support@dominionmarkets.com and ask them to reset your password. So we will open the account and now the investor account is created. All your information is right here. So now we need to subscribe to a master account. So we'll go towards leaderboard. Now, from here, we can see there are a lot of accounts that are doing, some are doing really well, some are okay, some are average. So let's suppose we want to invest in this account right here, which we think has been doing pretty good for the last 83 days, 279% gains at this point. So we will hit invest. From here, this is our investor account. Right now, the investor account has $0, and it also shows the performance fees of the account that we're trying to follow. So we will subscribe to this account, and now we've subscribed successfully to this account. Now, the next step is to deposit funds into our investor account. So we will make a deposit from our payment account, and we will deposit around $20 in this account, and we will hit deposit. There we go. Deposit has been made. From here, you can see the trading report. If the client takes any trades, all your trades are going to show up over here. All your subscriptions are also going to show over here. From here, we can do a lot of settings based on what we want to see. Now, when you see ratio per lot, this means that if the client or if the master account takes a lot size based on their account, almost the same lot size in proportion to your account is going to be taken right over here. Moving these values up will make your account take double the risk, right? If you put 2, this will take double the risk. If you put 3, this will take triple the risk. Oh, we need to do this. Triple the risk, right? If we make it, let's say, 0.5, this means it will take half the risk. You can also place a loss limit as well in dollars on how much, let's say we have $20 and we say, okay, like, once the account goes in $10 loss, it should unfollow or unsubscribe to the master account. From here, we can also unsubscribe to the account. We'll unsubscribe right here. Perfect. Now when we go back to our dashboard, we have successfully created an investment account, which we can use to follow other people on the leaderboard. And we also have created successfully a master account, which we can trade on the leaderboard. And with good statistics, we can have clients put money to our master account. Now, another question is, how can we set some fees for our master account? So when we go towards settings, in settings, we can change these fees. So let's say we want to do fees of, let's say, daily, right? We want to charge daily fees. So we will add a row and we will do 20%. Now, what will happen is whatever profit is generated for clients, 20% of those profits are going to be deducted from their profits, and those profits will go to your payment account, which is very important, right? Because your payment account is going to be the bridge. So let's say you traded your master account and you made someone some funds, let's say $30, and those 20% of those $30 will automatically go over to your payment account, which is at $10, and this will increase by that 20% amount, right? And when we go back to our dashboard, our MT5, this is where our payment account, our live accounts are going to be situated. Hope this helps. If you have any more questions, you can email us at support@dominionmarkets.com.